In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Quick Start for Moltbot or Clawdbot in the terminal. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to the page for either Moltbot or the Clawdbot. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the section labeled Quick Start. This is where the project provides a ready-to-run command to get everything set up for you. When you find that Quick Start section, copy the code snippet exactly as it appears. It's designed to handle the installation and initial setup automatically. Next, open your terminal. On macOS and Linux, that's the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal. With the terminal open, right-click or use your paste shortcut to drop in the code you copied. Press enter to run it. This command will download the necessary files and install the tool on your computer. Depending on your connection and system speed, this can take a little while, so just let it run. Don't close the terminal or interrupt the process while it's working. After the installation finishes, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm that you understand the setup. Click yes on the I understand message. This acknowledgement helps the tool proceed with defaults safely. Next, choose Quick Start. This option uses sensible defaults so you can get going without digging into advanced configuration. Then choose Reset. This clears any previous configuration and ensures you're starting fresh, which helps avoid conflicts if you've tried a setup before. From there, select OpenAI. That tells the tool which provider you plan to use. When you're prompted for the OpenAI API key, select the OpenAI API key option. Type or paste your key carefully. Keep it private and never share it publicly. Treat it like a password. If you're pasting, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the key. Once your key is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a model. Pick the model that fits your needs and your access level. If you're unsure, the default recommended model is usually a reliable starting point. Finally, choose a channel. A channel is where you'll interact with the bot. This could be a local console, a chat interface, or another supported integration. Choose the one that matches how you plan to use it. That's it. You've installed the tool, confirmed the setup, selected Quick Start and Reset for a clean configuration, connected your OpenAI account, selected a model, and chosen your channel.